Another day, another house tour. So today, nandito tayo sa Jubilation Penthouse to visit their 3-story townhouse featuring 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 2-car garage. Jubilation Penthouse is very accessible from the SLEX, few minutes away. Then Pavilion Mall, napakalapit din niya, walking distance lang. And kung pupunta ka ng Manila, so very accessible, or from Tagaytay, you can use the Calax. Okay, so visit natin. This is seats on 60 square meter lot area and floor area of 90 square meter. So tara po, visit natin. So if you notice guys, ito yung ating model house. So with cluster of 3. So they differ on the models kung ano yung gusto nyo inside. So ang i-visit natin is this one. Pero magkakaiba po sila depende on your family use. So again, it has 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and 2-car garage with 60 square meter lot area and floor area of 90 square meter. So kung mapapansin nyo, napaka-colorful nung ating unit. So ayan, so in front guys, so meron tayong 2-car garage. So dito and dito. So ayan, so dalawa yung ating car garage. Then dito sa labas, pagpasok natin, so dito naka-tiles, pero upon turnover guys, this is hindi siya naka-tiles, concrete siya. Okay? So here we have our window here, then ito yung ating metal door, then we have here sliding door. So tara po, pasok po tayo. So dito sa ground floor, pagpasok natin, so dito sa baba, ayan, so ito yung ating magiging laundry area. Ayan po yung ating laundry area. So may provision siya for your automatic washing machine. Then naglagay sila dito ng cabinets. So para sa ating laundry. On this side naman, ito yung ating service area. So pasensya na po, medyo may mga gamit lang since well-maintained po kasi yung ating model house. So yeah, may mga map and may walis po. So on this side naman guys, if you have elderly na kasama sa bahay, so very ideal to guys. So bakit? So kasi meron tayong bedroom dito. So ayan. So may bedroom tayo dito. Or pwede mo siyang i-convert into office kung work from home ka, or yun, may mga client ka na sa bahay mo lang gustong i-meet. So pwede mong i-convert yan. But anyway, with the other models, yung meron doon na naka-office setup siya. Okay? So akit tayo on our second floor. So dito, mapapansin nyo na naka-vinyl. Dito sa baba, naka-tiles po tayo ng 60 by 60. So naka-vinyl po yung ating stairways. At the same time, ito, we have wood and metal handrails. So on second floor, it will serve as your living area. So ito po yung ating living area. Then on this side naman, we have our dining area. Then dito, yan, ito po yung ating kitchen. So definitely, mommies can prepare dito, then they can serve on the living area. Then after that, so kung gusto mo mag-relax, so ito po yung ating living area. Then dito sa living area, we have our balcony. So ayan, so may balcony po tayo dyan. So pwedeng after mong kumain, pwede ka mag-coffee dyan. Okay? Then on this side, so yan, naglagay sila ng cabinet dyan for the kitchen utensils. So, pero anyway, you can have it kung ano yung mas prepared mo. Diba? Kung mahilig ka mag-read, so you can set books kung applicable. Then dito, sa second floor, we still have our toilet and bath. So, ito yung ating lavatory. Then, ito yung ating shower area. Then we have our toilet. Then we're done on the first and second floor. So, we're now proceed on our third floor. So, sa third floor, so meron dun yun naman yung ano natin, time for relax din na kung matutulog tayo or yun nga, definitely bedrooms ang makikita natin doon. Okay, let's go. So, sa third floor, same pa rin. Naka-vinyl. Then, yung tiles natin sa second floor is naka-tiles siya ng 60 by 60. So, same metal and wood handrail style. Dito sa third floor, we have 2 bedrooms. So, these are first bedroom. So, for your kids. Ayan po. So, kung mapansin nyo, naglagay sila ng study area. Then, at the same time, yung beddings ng anak po natin. Then, on this side, they put cabinet. Yan. On the third floor, we still have our toilet and bath. So, kung nawiwiwi tayo sa madaling araw, so, ayan. So, hindi na po tayo need bumaba ng second floor. Then, we have our toilet and our lavatory. Then, let's proceed on the third floor. On the third floor, ayan, so we have, naglagay sila dito ng cabinets. Okay, so dito may powder area pa. Then, sa katabi niya, we have our study area or pwede mong gawing office table mo kung ayaw mo dun sa baba, di ba? So, dito we have also our balcony. So, ayan, sa balcony, pagkagising mo o bago matulog, kung gusto mo mag-relax, so, ayan, pwede mo siyang gamitin. Or you can use the place. Then, dito, ito yung ating master's bed. So, ayan, dito, naglagay sila ng, I think this is just a double. Then, dito, naglagay sila ng TV set. Ayan. So, kung mapansin nyo rin, madaming window dito sa the penthouse in Jubilation in Binyan. Okay? So, yun lang po. I hope you like this unit. And if you like this, just simply message me. Iwan ko po yung aking contacts on the screen and on the description box. Or you can contact me on my Viber and WhatsApp with a number of 0956-618-6967. This is Jun Yambao, your registered real estate salesperson. Bye-bye!